Hi there, students. Veganism. Okay, a vegan, a person. Veganism, the practice of it. And what's the difference between a vegetarian and a vegan? Well, let's see. A vegetarian doesn't eat meat products. Yeah, they just eat vegetable things. But vegans go a step further. They want to avoid all exploitation of animals, yeah, in food, in clothing, or for any other purpose. So, for example, a vegetarian may well eat honey, but a vegan won't, because the honey is taken from bees. It's a product that comes from bees, and they would consider that the bees are being exploited. A vegan, let's see, we probably need to split the idea between a vegan diet in which all of the food that is eaten does not come from any animal. So vegans don't eat eggs, for example. They won't drink milk as well, because these come from exploitations of animals. Whereas a vegetarian may eat milk, may drink milk and eat eggs. A vegan also would not want to wear leather shoes, because the leather again comes from the skin of an animal. And that is really the difference between a vegan. Somebody who does not eat or use any animal products. Yeah, no fish, no meat, no eggs, no cheese, no leather. Yeah, and that is different from a vegetarian who, I think the definition of a vegetarian is just somebody who doesn't eat meat. Yeah, or fish as well. Possibly, although okay, so a vegetarian, somebody who doesn't eat meat for health or for religious reasons, or they just want to avoid being cruel to animals. I think a vegan is the next step up. Okay, so a veganism. His diet is completely vegan. A vegan chocolate cake. Yeah. So one of the things I wondered about this is it okay for vegans to have pets? Yeah, I was wondering about a vegan keeping a dog and things like that. Maybe you could give me some answers to that. Okay, so a vegan, they're committed to avoiding products and practices and things that involve the use and the exploitation of animals. Yeah. Okay, so they try as best they can to avoid anything that comes from animals. Okay, this is a vegan. Formality. I'm going to give this word 5, a vegan, 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. Veganism. Yeah, I think I'm going to give it a 5 as well, because it is what it is and there isn't another word for it, although it does sound a bit on the formal side. I might give it a 6, but use it anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, this effectively comes from the cutting of vegetarian or vegetable. Vegan. Notice also vegan or vegan, both pronunciations are possible. You'll notice I have used vegan the whole way through it, but I hear many people use the word vegan. This word vegan was first used by somebody called Donald Watson of the Vegan Society. Okay, so yeah, vegan. Trying to avoid anything that's harmful to animals, that causes suffering to animals or comes from animals. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Veganism.